Hey YouTubers, I'm doing a review on this thermos brand. The thermos. This is the best thermos brand thermos I have ever used. This is made in the US. It's pretty good quality, and I have a stew I cook in that thermos. A stew, YouTube. That's right, a stew. Use a nice thermos. I'm gonna show you the stew. Just go and open it up. This is how it comes out of the bowl. This bowl, you guys can see. Insulated cup. Put the camera down before I go and show you guys. Cook the stew in the thermos. You got a stew cooking up in there. It's been there for about 13 hours. 13 hours. So I'm going to show you guys the stew. It's still hot. Look at that stew. Got some potatoes in there. Got some other stuff in there. As you guys can see, the thermos pretty dirty. Pretty good. Got some corn in there. Shit. Just insulated stopper. And you got this lovely fork. So we're gonna eat the stew. It's a perfect fork for taking it camping. I'm gonna take a bite of the stew to see how good it tastes. That is a good stew, YouTubers. I cooked that thing in that thermos, and that still is. I got a food jar thermos, brand thermos. That was like plastic and glass, like a plastic insert glass on the outside. And that thing will be cold when it comes to lunchtime. This is a good thermos. The bigger the bottle, the more heat attention you get. So that's my video if I had to go cook in a thermos. Prepare this thermos, boiling water to cook thermos. And Porsche. Like and subscribe, please.